In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment icons on the Shopify product page. This is a quick and easy process that will only take about 5 minutes of your time. So, let's dive right into it. First, head over to Shopify. If you're not logged in already, simply click on the Login button you'll see on the home page. This will lead you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll end up at the Shopify home dashboard. This is your command center, where you have access to all the tools needed to manage your online store. Next, look for the online store option in the left-hand menu and click on it. This section allows you to manage everything related to the appearance and functionality of your store, such as themes, pages, blogs, and of course, the product pages where we'll be working today. Once you're in the online store section, you will see a submenu that includes themes. Click on Themes. This is where you can view and manage the current theme your store uses. The theme is essentially the design and layout of your store, so any visual elements you want to tweak will be done here. On the Themes page, you'll notice a Customize button next to your live theme. Click on this to enter the theme editor mode. This is an incredibly powerful feature in Shopify, allowing you to make visual and structural changes with ease. It's designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if you're not a tech expert. Now, you want to find the Add Section button located within the theme editor. When you click it, a list of available sections will appear. You are looking for the Custom Liquid option. This flexible section allows you to add custom code to your page, giving you the power to insert various elements not already available by default. After selecting Custom Liquid, a blank code field will appear. This is where you'll paste the HTML code for the payment icons. Make sure you have the code prepared beforehand. You can find generic payment icon codes online or from your payment service provider. Simply copy that code and paste it into the field. Finally, after you've pasted the code, make sure to hit Save on the top right of the editor. This ensures all your changes are applied and reflected on your live site. Then, preview your site to ensure the icons appear correctly on the product pages. And that's it. You've successfully added payment icons to your Shopify product page in just a few minutes. These icons can greatly enhance the trust factors on your site, making customers more likely to complete their purchase. Thank you for tuning in. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Happy selling!